Namaste. Welcome to morning yoga. Let's begin right away to warm up your spine. Come on all fours with your knees directly under your hips. Wrists directly on your shoulders. Spread out your fingers so you can see the colors of your mat. Breathe in through your nose. Lift the crown of your head and tailbone up. Cow pose. Breathe out through your nose. Bring the crown of your head and tailbone down. Cat pose. Again. Inhale, lower your belly, look forward. Exhale, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest. One more round. Breathe in, open across your chest as you look forward. And breathe out, round your spine, press the earth away. Inhale, come to neutral spine. As you exhale, look over your right shoulder, shift your hips to your left. Breathe in, come back to center, and as you breathe out, look over your left shoulder. You will feel this in your neck for a gentle neck stretch. Then breathe in, come back to center. Keep breathing, curl your toes under, engage your core, lift your knees a few inches off the ground, hold and take a deep breath. Then lengthen out your legs, walk your hands a little bit past your shoulders. You can keep a generous bend in your knees. Heels don't have to be touching the floor. In downward facing dog, take a deep breath. Most importantly is that you lengthen out your spine. On your next inhale, lift your heels up. As you exhale, bend your knees, bring your tummy towards your upper thighs. Inhale, begin to straighten out. Exhale, lower your heels down. Again, breathe in. Lift your heels up. Breathe out, bend your knees, bring your chest and tummy towards your upper legs. Breathe in, start to lengthen out, and breathe out. Release your heels towards the ground. Breathe in, come onto your tippy toes, lift your heels. Breathe out, lengthen your spine, bring your tummy and chest to your upper legs. Breathe in, straighten out, and exhale back to your downward facing dog. Well done. Now come onto your tippy toes, bend your knees, and let's take a rest in child's pose. Sit back on your heels, release your chest down towards the ground, place your forehead on the ground. Lengthen out your arms in front of you, lift the base of your palms up so you're resting on your fingertips, stretch your whole upper body, take a big belly breath in and out through your nose. And then lower the base of your palms down. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, walk your hands over towards your right side. Place your left hand on top of your right. Breathe out for a gentle side body stretch. And then as you breathe in, come back to center. Breathe out, walk over to your left side. Place your right hand on top of your left. Take a deep breath. Keep your right sitting bone grounded down. And then inhale, come back to center, exhale. And then come on all fours. From here, we're going to downward facing dog. Walk your hands a little bit past your shoulders. Curl your toes under, lift your knees and pelvis up and back into your downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your heels up. Exhale, bend your right knee, straighten out your left leg. Then breathe in, lift your heels up. Breathe out, bend your left knee, straighten out your right leg. Keep alternating to warm up your hamstrings and use your breath. Stretch out on the exhale. Go in your own pace. On your next inhale, lift your heels up. As you breathe out, pivot on the balls of your feet and turn your heels towards your left side. Bend your left knee, straighten out your right leg. Take long, slow, even length breaths. And you'll feel side body stretch here. Then inhale, come back to center, lift your heels up. Exhale, turn on the balls of your feet and bring your heels towards your right side. Bend your right knee, lengthen out your left leg. Take a few deep breaths. Good work. On your next inhale, come back to center. Exhale. Inhale. Ripple your body forward. Come into a plank pose. So adjust your hands. Make sure your wrists are under your shoulders. And you can always take a half plank by dropping your knees down. And then lower all the way down. Lie down on your tummy. Zip your legs together. Hands directly under your shoulders. Pinch your elbows towards each other. Inhale. Peel your chest and head up. Cobra Pose. Keep breathing. And then from there, let's take Sphinx Pose. Rest on your forearms with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Palms are facing down, and your forearms are parallel with each other. Shine your heart forward, and take a deep breath in your Sphinx Pose. As you exhale, lower your chest and forehead down. Arms along your body. Palms touching the ground. Breathe in. Lift your legs, chest, and head off the floor for locust pose. Use your back muscles. Squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other. Keep lengthening and lifting. In locust pose, this is a great way to strengthen and stretch your back. This is also a really good energizer. It's like drinking coffee. You're doing great. Long, deep breath in, deep breath out through your nose. One more breath. Well done. And release. Hands directly under your shoulders. Come on all fours. Curl your toes under. Lift your knees and pelvis up for your downward facing dog. So come into plank again as you inhale. Ripple your body forward. Make sure that your wrists are directly under your shoulders. Lower your knees down and then come all the way down onto your tummy. Inhale. Press your hands and tops of your feet firmly into the ground. Lift your chest, hips and knees off the ground. Look forward in your upward facing dog. Then take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, look over your right shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, look over your left shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. As you exhale, bend your knees. Come on all fours. Curl your toes under. And from there, come into your downward facing dog. And let's do that one more time. As you inhale, come into your plank pose or half plank by dropping your knees down. Then lower all the way down onto your tummy. Plant your hands by your lower ribs. Press your hands and tops of your feet firmly into the ground. And come into upward facing dog. Take a deep breath. On your next exhale, bend your knees, come on all fours, and take a rest in child's pose. Sit back on your heels. Keep your knees together or separate them. Rest your forehead on the ground. Arms lengthen out in front of you. And flip your palms open. Allow your body to rest for a few deep breaths. Then turn your palms facing down and push yourself up. And come into a seated, cross-legged position. Cross your legs at your shins. And let's do a few shoulder rolls. Hold on to your shoulders. Then draw circles with your elbows, bringing your elbows forward, up, back, and down. Keep going, do a few more. And then go in the other direction, rolling out your shoulders, release any tension. Well done. And then release your hands down. And then let's finish our practice together. As you breathe in, lift your arms up, gather all the positive energy, love and light into your whole being. Exhale, unite your hands and draw your hands down in Anjali Mudra, prayer position in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time to stretch, and thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Get your free Blissful Morning Guide right now by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And like this video, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, tell me what you thought of this video, or put in a request for future videos. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye!